Hi guys, so today we'll be making popcorn. What you need is to get your popcorn seed, try and check if there is any other dirt in it so you can pick it out. Get your oil. I'll put the measurement down below. You know how we do it here. So once you had your oil, make sure you had your popcorn seed immediately. Add your salt. Once you had your salt, mix it all together, and once it's hot, it will start popping. So once it start popping, then you can cover it and let it pop. So to pop under low heat for about 6 minutes. Make sure you are on low heat so it doesn't burn. So once you can't hear the pop anymore, just check on your popcorn and your popcorn should be ready. You can as well just mix and see if there's any other corn that has not popped. Then you add your sugar still on low heat. Add your sugar gradually, mix all together, and your popcorn is ready. Take it away from the heat, and if you want to add milk, this is the time for you to add your milk and mix thoroughly. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment down below, click the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.